fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you.
Period poo. Welcome to a real nigga channel. Don't forget to subscribe. But anywho, today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I put on my wigs. And yeah, so before I put on my wig cap, in that spray bottle, it was rice water and some of that do-girl oil, and I just put that on my scalp or whatever. And yeah, then I just put my wig cap on and got my freeze blast and sprayed it, and used my raggedy ass blow dryer and blow dried that until it was dry. And yeah. Y'all see this raggedy ass blow dryer? That is sad. Somebody please buy me a new one, like please. And right here, I was just trying to put on the wig to see what it would, like how far I needed to cut, but that didn't work. So here I am just cutting the cap to like whatever. Yeah, you know what I'm doing. And yeah, my song came on and I did not know how to act. I need to sit down somewhere. Okay, right here, I'm just taking some rubbing alcohol and Q-tip and cleaning the makeup and residue or whatever off of my skin so that way the glue will have something to stick to. Now the backstory of this wig is it was some wig that I had got off Amazon, like a little cheap Amazon wig. At first it was cute, whatever, but then after I wore it for a couple days, it was terrible. Couldn't wear it again. So I decided to like fix it up, whatever. I should did a video on that, but you know, a nigga wasn't thinking. But yeah, I had just like combed it out, cut it, and then put it in braids, put it in some boiling water, and then cut it again. But you'll see that like here in a minute. But yeah, I like the way it turned out. I'm proud of myself. And here I'm just putting on a thin layer of some ghost bone glue. And whenever you put on your layers, I use 3 layers. Whenever you put on your layers, make sure the first layer that you put on is dry before you put on the other layers. So put on a layer, let it dry, put on another layer, let it dry, and repeat that.
everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard.
Okay, so after I did that, I just turned up the braids so I could put my bandana on, so you know the lace can be a little bit more laid. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so now I'm finna start braiding it, and all I did is put some oil on my hands, like, you know, treating it like it's human hair or whatever, and that's what I'm using to unbraid it. And after I unbraid every piece, I'm just going and cutting all of the straight ends, like from the part that I didn't braid or I couldn't braid or whatever. And you'll see me do that like throughout the rest of the video, cause yeah, I'm just trying to like customize it and to make it to how I like it. What I was trying to do here was like cut it to where it wasn't so blunt, and then again, I didn't want to cut off like too much of it, so I was still leaving straight pieces. But like as the video progresses or whatever, you can see me, I'm just like, I just start not giving a fuck and just start cutting it, like cutting the whole part off. Okay, this is what I was talking about before. Like, I'm just going in now, just like cutting it randomly, whatever, to make it where it looks more natural and not so like weird, like the ends is permed or something. I just think that I should like let y'all know. Y'all see me like cutting up all this hair, or just throw it on the floor. Yep, it's still on the floor, and I do not feel like picking it up. And yeah, and I just plugged in my curling wand so I could flatten up the top up there since it's like sticking out and all bumpy or whatever. And right here, I just put some mousse and some got to be glued on there to do my edges or whatever, and that didn't work, so I just put some edge control on there, you know, swoop them hoes up real quick. And I'm just taking some mousse in that like curling gel, and I'm just putting that throughout the whole wig so it's not like dry or whatever. And yeah, I want to give it that wet look. And period, just like that, you a bad bitch. Bitch, I thought I was cute. I need to stop. No, ma'am. But y'all don't forget to subscribe and share this or whatever. You know, love y'all.
What you got up under this? Like, you just snatched it off on camera like that?
I showed it.
And don't give a fuck.
And don't. I'm putting this shit right back on.